it's not every day that you get to experience this excitement. Hi guys! Nakikita nyo ba yung nakapark na to? Dito tayo nakabook ngayon. So since we're celebrating our 15th year, so talagang inihabol no? We're gonna celebrate this weekend with my district. So isa sa mga hindi pa natin na-experience at may experience pa lang. So welcome to
Puerto Cristo. A sweet escape from the office for an overnight Puerto Cristo experience is one of the best way for the district to re-energize, relax, and bond. As soon as one set foot on the boat, the mood lightens and the interactions become personal without the codes specific to the corporate life.
I'm celebrating my 15th year anniversary.
Wow!
Is there anything you wish to tell me?
Congratulations and God bless. Please continue to be okay on your sugar.
So I'm here with my district mates, together with our captain, driving Puerto Cristo.
A nice and simple sweet escape can sometimes be the most effective team-building activity. So do you think the fun was over? Of course not! After a unique Puerto Cristo experience, there's still energy left in our system. So we went to Inflatable Island for a water fun challenge activity.
Grabe, it was so much fun. Nag-enjoy ako. This is definitely not your typical day. Akala ko noon na hindi ko kaya. Almost nag-high po ako sa taas. Akala ko hindi ko ma-finish. Well, thanks to my team, thanks to my buddies, I finished the challenge. Again, that's Inflatable Island.
Of course, what's the best way to end the day? Have a sumptuous lunch at Meat Plus that we all deserve.
If you love and care for someone with diabetes, please share, like, and subscribe.